ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Regional Committee Jong Karilum Jentia kabala Klido Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla basnya bahalang dhar kalapan por na ke Sarkar Jilla ban IT ke kaipot sorjamin ya ke benta badan ke jingi ke jiaput bat ke Jilla Assam hakasnong rata cara ke bahap apa ke East Jentia Hills District. Hakajing akren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba lakman rembui ulaong bakajing IT ke kaipot kan long tat hadu banda pendap shwa ya ke jingshong jingyalang sasisen bat kibor ke Sarkar Assam kenang ban pensuk ya ki menteri rangba ke Meghalaya bat Assam ban shim ya karai
where the two chairmen of the committee have decided to seek time to the government till the 15th of this month to submit the report. And from Meghalaya side, we have provided all the necessary thing to government to district administration of Cachar Hills, so that for verification this and that, what is our position. And then after that, the chairman of our committee have seek time with the chairman of regional committee from Assam. But since he also engaged in some meeting or other or some engagement of other, so we have not been able to meet. Until and unless we meet, it is we cannot, because since it's a joint inspection and for the same purpose, we want that whatever we submit, we have to sit first, so that it will be make easier for both the chief minister of the Assam and Meghalaya to take a necessary decision. That's why we are waiting for that meeting to happen. As soon as that meeting happens, whatever may be the outcome, we will submit the report. The committee have already completed its exercise. The issue here is only that we have to sit once before submitting the report to the respective chief minister. So in that meeting, when we meet, then the outcome, what type of report we will submit from Meghalaya and from Assam also, we could see if possible that one single agenda that we want that both the report and agreement should be there, so that it's easier for the chief minister to take a decision. See, there is no confusion from Meghalaya side. But the thing is that in 2004, 4 or 14, I don't know exactly, there is a notification from the government of India where Borail reserve forest have been declared as a sanctuary. So in that map of Borail sanctuary, it is also include the map of, include the Ratachara village. So Ratachara, as we do, there is no dispute between the villagers. There is no dispute between the people or the resident of Ratachara and the adjoining resident of Assam. It is the confusion between the two states of Meghalaya. So from our point of view, I think Ratachara will be one of the, hopefully, I cannot prejudge what is the mind of the committee. From our side is one of the things which we could make us easier to take a decision regarding the portion of Assam and portion of Meghalaya. 100% of the population are from Giant Hills, and all the cultivation belong to the people of Giant Hills. That's why I told there is no dispute between the people to people of both the state or the nearby residents. There is a confusion or dispute between the state of Meghalaya and Assam. There is a difference, not dispute, there is a difference between the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So that's why how to solve it, we have to go cautiously and take a decision accordingly, taking into consideration that the concern of the people is taken care of. As per record, everything is done from Giant Hills Autonomous Council, and everything is done from the Giant Hills District and the now East Giant Hills District. So that's why our position is that Ratachara, since time memorial, is the people of Mekhli have been residing. So we propose that the confusion or any difference at all should not be there in the future, so that this could be solved at earliest. See, as I said times and again, this is the first time that the Chief Minister of both the state, Meghalaya, or Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Chief Minister of Assam have go to this issue with open mind and also with a positive mind. So, as a representative, as a citizen of the state, I think this is one of the occasion where we will take these opportunities that not only Ratachara, we have to narrow down our difference as much as possible. From the 12 area of difference, we narrow down as much as possible, because as I said, for the first time, both the chiefs goes with open mind and with positive mind to solve the water issue.